Toy Bros. Hi, this is Toy Bros. They were in the ice list.
Did you know this was the free gummies?
I think vanilla and chocolate.
Vanilla and chocolate? Okay.
I can do it.
Okay, that's enough.
Alright, which one you guys want to
my
get?
ice cream? Can I hold my ice cream?
You want some Oreo
Sprinkles?
cookies?
Not so much. Not so much.
You want sprinkles?
Yeah.
You want these?
Yeah.
Put the spoon back.
Sour Patch Kids?
Spoon back.
Yeah. Sour Patch.
Get
Sour
some worms.
Patch Kids.
Oh, what happened to the Angry Bird ones? No more Angry Bird
Just a
gummies?
few here. We'll get. You don't need a whole lot.
Sour Patch Kids?
Here, you want some sprinkles?
Yeah. Mommy,
Some sprinkles.
I'm going to get one
Gummy
of
worms?
these two with gummy worms.
You want some gummy worms?
You know what happens? It's this. You need to use
You
the
want some of
other
this?
one.
Okay.
This
Here, I'll get them.
So that's enough.
Couple gummy worms.
What else are you going to get? They're getting gummies.
So I'm going to get
Alright, that's good, you guys.
I want to get some Sour Patch Kids.
Okay, then that's it. One little scoop.
I did not get Sour Patch Kids.
Look what we got.
I don't see that.
I got so much to choose
Matilda
from.
spoons.
Yeah.
There's two Sour Patch Kids. Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Come here,
Still no
Marshall.
cherries. But I got cakes. We need to get a cake. Let's see. Sports card, right?
Chuck is next week. Today was a Tilda.
Yummy, yummy.
Today was a Tilda.
Matilda? Yeah. We'll get Chuck next week. That's pretty good. We got a lot of stuff.
Show them Matilda's.
Toy Bros.